Welcome to Jamaica. Sitting out in by my garage next to my neighbor's house, talking to myself. People these days. I'm a billionaire. I'm really paranoid back here. Do you guys want a hamburger? Ham. Makes me sad. This is a rock. This is your rock. It's over there if you want it. Wait. Your rock is that way. Like, dude, that's your rock. I don't feel comfortable having your rock in my crib. So I don't know what this bandana thing is. I mean, like, it looks good on me because I got a haircut. Haircuts, you know, generally long hair looks better on John. I want to see some footage of, like, a grasshopper being eaten alive by ants. I was thinking about this, and this is, like, a great metaphor for, like, something great. Like, this is the YouTubers taking over, like, television or, like, the internet, dude. Like, just realized there's shadows on my face. I hope that's not too annoying. Sorry. Well, anyway, bye.
How's it going, kids?